Hey guys, welcome back to Doug's Basement Workshop. And today, I just got back from the farmer's market. That's why I'm wearing my orange shirt still. So, the honey dippers is what we took this week. Maple. I did a couple of cherry ones. They sold really well. I was surprised. They did better than I thought they were going to do. And while I was on the lathe this week, I cranked out some hairpins. Hairpins are always an easy sell. And all I did for the display for those was drill holes in a piece of a half log and stuck them in there. Small display, quick selling item, easy one, guys. The spoons and spatulas we put out with the honey dippers as part of our kitchen accoutrements and some more. Yes, I am actually in the barn. There is siding inside of the barn. So that went really well. The honey dippers did awesome. We made more of the power carved bowls and almost sold out of the power carved bowls again. I don't understand why, but they're doing really well. We're loving it. This week, things I was thinking about. It seems really windy where we're set up, and my price cards are cards. They're trifold, or I'm sorry, tent cards that I use. So I need to come up with a better way to do my price cards for next week. Not sure what I'm going to do for that one. And I don't know what else I'm going to add next week. Kind of coming up short. I'm going to have a lot of work to do with getting the power carved bowls made next week. Thinking about changing the design a little bit. We're going to see where I go with that one. And yeah, that's it. Another great week at the farmer's market. Guys, questions, comments, you want to see how I'm making anything that we're talking about in the videos, shoot me a line. But honey dippers, the honey people were there again this week. I was set up near them. And again, another great selling week for the farmer's market, doing just some of the basic stuff. All right, guys, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.